In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish and test your Card.so website. By the end of this session, you'll have your site up and running with confidence that everything is working perfectly. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Card website. This is where all the magic happens. Before you go ahead with publishing, make sure you're completely satisfied with the design and functionality of your website. Card provides a user-friendly interface for creators and businesses alike, giving you the flexibility to create impressive sites even without coding expertise. Once you're happy with how your website appears, the next step is to locate the Publish button within the Card editor. This button is your gateway to sharing your creation with the world. Simply give it a click, and you'll be on your way to making your site live. When you publish your site, you'll be prompted to choose between using a free Card subdomain or opting for a custom domain of your own. If you're just testing the waters or working on a personal project, a free Card subdomain might suit your needs just fine. However, if you're aiming for a more professional look or branding consistency, using your custom domain would be a great choice. Selecting a custom domain can lend an air of professionalism and credibility, which is especially crucial for businesses. With your site published, it's crucial to conduct some checks to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Start by scrutinizing all the links on your website. Are they directing visitors to the intended pages? Any broken link can frustrate visitors and detract from the credibility of your site. Next, take a close look at all images to confirm they're appearing correctly and enhancing your content as intended. Content accuracy is another vital factor. Skim through your text to ensure it's free of typos and grammatical errors. The polished presentation can significantly impact how your audience perceives your content, so invest some time in making sure everything reads well. Additionally, you should test your website's mobile responsiveness. In today's digital age, a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices, so it's essential that your site looks great and functions smoothly on screens of all sizes. Card generally does a good job at ensuring your site looks good on mobile devices, but it's always wise to double-check. Following these steps will ensure that your website not only looks great, but functions reliably, offering visitors a seamless experience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing your stunning card creations live.